I'm Spice Nisha.
And I'm Sinalicious.
And we are pranking. Is it
We
just
pranking Cam. Because Pops is still working.
So
we getting ready to act ratchet, y'all. We getting ready. Y'all say I got on the bonnet.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. She has fake hair in her arms.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, leave Team Cinnamon and Spice.
No.
What?
I'm Sinalicious.
How do you spell that?
Sinalicious.
And I'm Spice Nisha.
Spice Nisha and Sinalicious. Guys, thumbs up this video, share this video, and if you haven't subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Share this video out. Guys, try to get this channel, get us up to 50K. Come on, y'all.
Yes, y'all, this is we try to entertain y'all as best as we can.
Yes. Wait a minute, y'all. Take the food downstairs. We'll be there in a second.
He's just trying to be
I
nosy.
think it is too.
So we should see.
We should have Pops to play on like a blindfold or something, because he might go miss it.
Yeah, we'll figure this out. We'll see y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, should we take the floor?
Yeah, well, what you wanna do?
I don't know.
Okay,
Come
come
on,
on.
intro.
Come on, do the intro.
Yo, hey everybody, welcome to Kee'S. I'm Kel.
I'm Spice.
And it's Sinalicious.
Wait, what? So as you guys can see, we are doing a chicken alfredo mukbang. Right now, right now I have my head down because Mama Cinnamon the Key, aka Spicy Cinnamon, doesn't want me to see how they look right now.
Spice, my nickname. Spinisha is my real name.
And my name is Sinalicious. Get it right.
Okay. I don't know how
Hold your head up. Don't be holding your head down. Hold your head up.
Okay. I go on eyes now.
Go ahead.
Y'all look terrible.
This is chicken alfredo.
Y'all look terrible. Yo, what the heck?
Who looks terrible?
You got on the bonnet, pink hair. What the heck?
So anyway, y'all, we are doing chicken alfredo.
Yes, and they smashed it down.
Voila. Chicken alfredo with broccoli, shrimp, and chicken. Well, it's chicken alfredo. So yeah, Mama Sinalicious made it.
And I brought my own drink because they be playing people's food around
Yes,
here.
and I
Let's
got
go
the
on
red
and
cup.
eat.
Yes.
Let's bless the food. Come on. Bless the food.
Guys, great things that we're about to see. Please hit the video, subscribe, like, and please bring Mama Cinnamon the Key back. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen.
What you talking about? He be throwing shade. So anyway, we got the coldest water bottle here. We got a sponsor. We got a sponsor. So all you gotta do is type in KEE'S, put a capital camera. I'm gonna put a little, you know how to type it out for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
So I'm ready to eat. So here we got the plates. Here you go. Oh girl, what you dancing to?
Twerking.
Girl, you stay twerking. You do more twerking than working. That's crazy.
That's what you're supposed to do.
So, bro, you gonna eat?
Girl, I ain't on no diet.
He just sitting there looking all crazy and stuff. So anyway, y'all.
I don't think I'm wrong.
Oh, that's right. That's
Oh.
right.
Y'all done shut my asparagus.
You got a spare?
Girl, yeah.
Girl, you get all of the vegetables.
Baby number 12. Yes,
Oh.
stay healthy.
Girl, that looks fine.
Asparagus and bread.
Girl, who taught you how to do that? You learned that on Instagram? Girl.
Girl, it's this chick on YouTube called Cinnamon, Mama Cinnamon Girl.
Girl, you know, I heard of them. They cool. Their whole family. So, y'all, yeah, let's do the thumbnail.
Girl, that's all enough.
Girl, you done said nothing about my hair.
It's soft.
What? Girl, I went and girl, it's crazy. So I told her, I was like, I want that new watch. I want that big.
Hold up. Who got my Newports? When I sat there, I had my Newports.
Girl, I ain't got Y'all got flies in here? Y'all crazy, man.
Girl.
Y'all look good. Y'all ratchet. I'm struggling over here. Girl, we have to cover the food up. They don't let us fly out. Y'all ain't got nothing else right.
Girl, you know how it is. Thank you.
So I brought the red cups. Where the Hennessy at?
Girl, we ain't got no hand. You know what? Hand. You want some Spurgers?
So what?
Spurgers.
This is very.
Yeah, too bullshit.
For real. But yeah, I didn't finish my story. So anyway, long story short, I told her I wanted the lock because you know I got that. And then first of all, she ran out of hair. And she was trying to babysit the whole time she was on my hair. But I let her slide because that's my baby daddy's cousin or whatever. But I ended up walking out.
So I dressed up real nice, thinking that it was gonna be like.
I walked out. I didn't pay for it, so I'm not even mad. It's not what I wanted. I wanted WAP. I got a flop, but it's okay.
I decided to put on like a button-down shirt, and like I was going to school, and then.
Oh, this is good.
Something happened. Like,
This is good.
Like, are y'all okay? Like,
This is me.
so like.
This is real. This is me.
What
This is who I'm supposed to be.
So y'all quote Disney Channel?
Yeah, my kids be watching Disney Channel.
Y'all quote Disney Channel. So like your name was what?
That's so delicious.
And your name was what?
I'm Spice Nisha. How many times I gotta say it?
So like your mom named you
Girl, your mama
Spice
know. Your mama know the Spurgers.
So what?
I know, I'm just working on this right now.
This is fair.
You know, cause my man, I ain't on no diet. My man told me he like my booty getting bigger, so I'm trying to keep that. You know what I'm saying?
So like y'all. Nah, I'm good. I'm just trying to figure out like so Spice Nisha and Cinna what?
Cinnamation. Dang, how many times you ever said her name?
You wanna put your food up there?
You might as well. Y'all got left flies on the house and stuff.
Okay. So like Cinna delicious.
What you worry about it? Put that water on there. Put that water on there.
My bad. So again, coldest water. Use code KEE'S. You good over there?
I don't know. I'm not good. Yo, what the heck?
Dang, girl, you want to cover your mouth?
I'm good.
What's up with these eyelashes though?
What you mean, what's up?
Did you just work in this
These are mink. These are mink eyelashes from the finest. My baby daddy picked them up, of course, because he loved me. This was before he went to jail. So he
He been in jail for he been in jail for 6 years.
He stayed in jail, but it's okay. He in jail more than he at home. Bro, this is wild.
Is that armpit here?
Huh?
Oh, she do that. So anyway, y'all, this food good.
What? When you was gonna gym, like I can't even eat. What are y'all gymming to?
I'm eating.
So like, how many baby daddies do y'all have? A piece?
Why are you asking all of these questions?
Cause I'm just
Man.
not my okay, not my problem.
Not my problem.
Is that,
Right, so mind your
is your baby
business.
daddy not your problem? Like,
Mind your business.
Not your problem.
well, it says not my problem.
Not your problem.
Stop asking all these you asking all these questions.
Problems?
Don't play with me. You know I had messed up. Don't play with me. You asking all these questions. You the type I have my baby daddy come beat you up and take your shoes.
Take my shoes.
Girl, you crazy.
Take my shoes.
He will take your shoes.
Can we not? You got pink hair.
And it's cute. And it's cute. So what?
It was body.
I'm cute.
And I got the flop going on. Yes.
No, you got the down from Players Club hair. Like, what is this?
Oh.
No.
You
She don't like that. Oh.
No. What the heck?
What you trying to say? You said I'm out of style or something?
Oh.
Oh.
I was like,
Oh, you know, I've been trying not to go back to jail, but you really taking me back.
Oh, you should. Don't say whatever you say. Don't say diamond.
back to jail?
Don't say
You
diamond.
better stop talking for real.
How many
Me-
times
You better eat your little food and chill. Don't say diamond.
How many times have you been to jail?
Bro. Yes. Yes.
Girl, listen.
You right.
It's food.
People been trying to.
Food.
I know 2020 started off crazy. I'm still trying to get it right.
Haters.
Okay.
Where your daddy at?
Probably at work somewhere. I don't know.
He got a girlfriend.
He's married.
Girl, you married too. Girl, that's nice.
So like when you got married, did you go to like City Hall or something? Can't give you a wedding?
Wait a minute.
First of all, hold up. First of all, boy, let me tell you something.
Don't
You
do that.
ain't got no APT,
No, wait, what?
and your car is off,
And you ain't got no JAB.
and you ain't got no JLP because your parents told you had to quit.
So I have an
They told you APT, you ain't got no apartment.
You ain't got no core, and you ain't got no JAB.
And his car is off. Your car is off.
I have a JAB.
You ain't got no JAB.
You know that's a punch, right?
You know what? He started.
He
Let's go
got
there.
jokes.
He makes me.
You
know
got
what? He tripping.
I'm
So
kinda
anyway,
scared.
y'all, I'm enjoying this.
So I got a question. Like, do you guys listen to like good music?
Oh my goodness.
What kind of music do you guys listen to?
Oh my goodness. Dang, I knew this was gonna happen.
What?
Look. I got sauce on my top. Dang.
You can't even take it back.
I was gonna take it back.
Like, do y'all know voice control?
What?
What are you talking about? Y'all know voice
And it's got
control.
the tag on here because I was gonna take this back.
Beyonce got voice control. What is you talking about?
She got what? Oh,
Voice
I was trying
control.
to Google what? She has a, okay.
I don't like him. He get on my nerves.
I don't like him either.
I mean, my boo somewhere else. Y'all got flies. You sitting up here being smart. I know when somebody trying to be smart with me.
I mean,
You gonna ask me about my eyelashes, and they me.
so I got a question. Like,
Everybody come over here for no interview. He always interview people and stuff.
hey, did you just take asparagus?
What?
Like, yo, I mean, we are in like a restaurant. Could you please keep it down, please?
That's like you know restaurant.
Cinnamolicious, whatever your name is.
Cinnalicious. Say it right.
My bad, spicy shit. Like,
You gonna make me get on the phone and call them boys.
For real.
wow, they gonna call it good.
You gonna make me call them boys.
And you know what? I'm pregnant right now, but I will still fight you.
Wait, what?
A Kiki, what you kicking in for? I want a Kiki too. I said I'm pregnant right now and I still fight.
How many kids do you have?
Why you asking me all of that? You the feds?
No, I'm not the fifth, but I need to call them if you gonna be fighting. Like,
I'm about to go. I can't do this no more.
yeah.
I can't even enjoy my chicken. What is this? Chicken
Freedom.
Chicken Frito.
Chicken freedom.
Chicken Frito with shrimp. I can't even enjoy it.
Hold on, wait.
I didn't even get no spark.
I got a question.
What? What now?
Y'all been to Bolo No Chase, haven't y'all?
What?
What?
Y'all been to Bolo No Chase?
They won't even let us in because that's worse. What's going on?
Man, Villanova is my spot.
Yo.
I love you, Villanova.
Come on.
Do y'all consider Bolo No Chase safe?
You better wish today that keep on over here.
That is my spot. I can't get my nails done because of this virus.
So how many times have y'all set guys up? Because I don't want y'all set a lot of guys up.
He the feds, y'all. I'm not
I'll
talking
figure it
about
out. Cause she gonna make me.
You have a lot of hair on your arms. Like, have you ever heard of like a razor or something? Or you could just shave it.
Yeah, I heard about a razor. I keep one in my bra in case I gotta get into a street fight.
She has Newports that's missing. You have a tax one.
And what you gotta say? What?
And what you gotta say?
What?
And you ain't got no PT. I mean, what is it?
I know.
Whatever it is, you ain't got one.
APT.
You ain't got one. You still live with your parents.
What?
You still live with your parents.
Can you spell that for me?
You still live with your parents.
Wait, how you spell parent?
You starting to make me
That
mad.
scares me. I'm really getting sick and tired of you asking me.
What?
He is really
You
tripping me
heard me.
out.
I said it scares me. You are getting on my nerves.
Like skirt?
It scares.
How
Yes,
you-
it
how you-
scares me.
How you spell skirt?
Why you have all these
There's
questions?
no R next to you.
We ain't in school.
You know, I'm not.
There's no.
I'm done. Thank y'all for watching this video.
What you?
Girl, they put into
Oh.
Cause he get on my nerves.
Please don't forget to like, share, and
hurry up.
Don't forget to check out Senna, whatever her name is, and whatever her name is, and don't forget to take your
Cinnalicious. Cinnalicious.
Don't forget to check the links in the
I normally would have me a cigarette after my meal, but since my spurs is gone, I gotta chew some gum.
Since your what?
Here you go with these questions. I can't take
Since your what is gone?
My syrup.
Yo, what?
You know what the girl sent her square.
Yeah, right.
So anyway,
If I didn't have excuse me, if I didn't have my ring, I would hit you upside your head with this
wait a
ring.
minute, girl.
Why don't you just burp this one like Henny? Have y'all been drinking already?
You have Henny and you didn't share none with me.
Girl, get that for Reese.
Reese who?
Reese.
Not RJ.
Reese. That's what we call her, Reese.
Why you hanging out with Reese? That's my baby.
Look.
Why you hanging out with Reese?
You talking about Reese? I'm talking about Reese.
Yeah, RJ. Reese
Reese
Jackson. I'm about to beat you. Girl.
Girl, what you saying?
Girl. Leave me alone.
Come on. What you want to do? What you want to do? What do you want to do?
Please don't forget to like.
What do you want to do?
Don't forget to check the links in the
Girl, stop me in my eye. My eye. Girl, you got me messed up.
If you guys want to donate to the channel, you can donate to the channel.
So you just gonna pull my brain off like that?
Yes, I did.
Are you serious?
Yes, I did.
Are you serious?
Don't forget to check whatever else is in the description.
What's that trying to do that video? You're gonna have to delete this.
I
You're gonna have to delete this.
think I got hair on my food.
You're gonna have to delete this.
Like, please.
What the hell was that? What's that?
I'm calling my
What's
baby.
that? He ain't finna have me on YouTube and girl.
Still, you can see it. We have to go up. Are y'all going to gang signs?
We trying to turn this camera on.